Hi guys, Ms. Ram here from Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. So are you ready to create your own brand? Ito ay para dun sa mga aspiring business owner na gustong magsimula ng sarili nilang brand with Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. Baka ito na ang chance mo na magsimula ng sarili mong brand with Seaway Shop, ano? So most of us are dreaming to have and start our own brand of soap, lip tint, perfume, serums, and lotion, and all of that. But Z-Way Shop Worldwide Company is here to actually provide you and give you the opportunity na magsimula ng sarili mong brand. So, are you ready? So, let's start off creating your brand with Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. By the way, Seaway Shop Worldwide Company rebranding mission is to empower Filipino entrepreneur to shine on the global stage. That Seaway Shop Worldwide Company rebranding department is dedicated to fostering the creation of authentic Filipino brands with international appeal. Our mission is to cultivate a vibrant ecosystem where Filipino creativity, craftsmanship, and culture thrive, transcending borders and captivating audience worldwide. Through strategic branding, mentorship, and market insights, we aim to elevate Filipino brand to new heights of success, amplifying their impact and influence on the global stage. With a commitment to excellence and innovation, we envision a future where Filipino brands stand out proudly among the world's most esteemed, embodying the rich heritage and entrepreneurial spirit of the Philippines. So, here in Seaway Shop Worldwide Company, we want you not just to sell here in the Philippines, but to be known globally. And that is our mission. So who is Seaway Shop? Actually, guys, Seaway Shop is a direct selling company registered under SEC with Seaway Shop Direct Selling Company. Carrying apparel, shoes, accessories, and personal care products, working through a network of distributors who sells our product through e-commerce. Seaway Shop was founded by me. I am Dr. Mary Rose Ramdagdag to provide an opportunity for thousands of people to start their own business and fulfill their potential because I always believe that we Filipinos are born entrepreneurs. To be financially secured has become more attainable. Of course, I was awarded as the outstanding lady entrepreneur, world class achiever, and all that back in 2014. So si Seaway Shop, 10 years na po tayo sa industriya. Back in 2014, I just set out a goal to build a business not only for me and my family, but to help other people start their business and fulfill their potential because I always believe in one thing that we Filipinos are born entrepreneurs and that we can be the best that we can. I wanted to give every woman, every Filipino, an opportunity to start their own business and be their own boss. Of course, guys, yours truly is the ambassador for humanitarian and entrepreneurship. And sobrang dami ng words. But then, guys, I am Ms. Ram. I am Ram, and I am here to support you in starting your own brand. Ziwa Shop is also known as the game changer in the distribution industry, a business by the people, for the people, an innovating business. And I always believe that starting is your foundational key to success. Walang nagtatagumpay na hindi nagsisimula, and you are now watching my video that maybe you wanted to start your own business as well. And of course, we are here to provide you the opportunity to start your business with Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. So what are the products that we manufacture? We manufacture, guys, soap, perfume, lip tint, lotion, sunscreen, serum, rejuvenating sets, graphic t-shirts, tote bags, kutkutins, and gummies. Sobrang dami ng mga products na available for you to rebrand. Of course, with the soap rebranding, 100% organic nga po pala ang ginagamit natin with Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. It is suitable for all skin types and we have a lot of variants available for you. We have the bleaching collagen, ultimate whitening, kojic acid, glass skin, charcoal soap, glutamine C, T3, niacinamide, gluta-arbutin, gluta-charcoal, sakura, and organic bleaching. I will be having a separate video for all this soap variants so that you'll know everything kung ano nga ba yung para saan nga ba yung variant na to. Because guys, every soap has a benefit for the skin. So, you must know muna ano ba yung target audience mo, sino ba yung target audience mo, and what are the problems of the target audience na tina-target mo. So that yung makikreate nating product will be beneficial for the target audience natin. Of course, we have the face and body whitening soap. So, meron din po kaming sample of this type na meron tayong bleaching collagen, ultimate whitening, kojic acid, glass skin, charcoal soap, glutamine CT3 niacinamide, gluta-arbutin, gluta-charcoal, sakura, and organic bleaching. Wherein, lahat po ng benefits nandyan na. You just need to think, ano ba yung gusto mong type or variant ng soap na ilalabas natin sa brand mo. Of course, we also have the lip tints. No? Lip tint rebranding is pigmented, lightweight, transfer-proof, and long-lasting. With a gel-based lip tint, pigmented siya, transfer-proof, at sobrang ganda niya talaga. So we have these variants or these colors. We have the cherry red, mulled wine, scarlet red, Chinese red, and raspberry. So we also have the perfume rebranding available para sa mga gustong magsimula ng sarili nilang brand ng perfume this 2024. Siwa Shop gotcha. So we also have here 40% oil-based concentration. Dubai-based oil ang gamit namin dito mga mare. And of course, can last up to 12 to 14 hours kasi the perfume ang gamit natin. Hypoallergenic din ito. Of course, we have the SPF 50++ sunscreen, prevents sunburn, prevents skin cancer, protection from UV rays, enhances skin health, preventing melasma, reduce inflammation, and prevents tanning. So, meron tayo dito available at 75 pieces, 6,375 pesos only. We also have the gluta-arbutin or alpha-arbutin lotion at 100 ml that reduces the formation of melanin in your skin, decreases pigmentation and dark patches, and juices or reduces age spots, acne scars, and post-blemish redness. Evens out your skin tone, brightens your skin tone as well, and of course, it lightens dark areas that can help with the appearance of scars. It starts at 5,000 pesos. Of course, we have the gluta-arbutin. Gluta-arbutin is the best lotion that we have in the market. The gluta-arbutin whitening lotion can be an effective product for you. It is for those who are looking to brighten their skin complexion and addresses issues related to hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. Gluta-arbutin whitening lotion is a skincare product that combines glutathione and arbutin, both of which are popular ingredients known for their skin brightening and anti-aging properties. So you can start your own whitening lotion for as low as 5,000 pesos. At syempre, meron tayo ditong vitamin C serum. So, meron tayong mga serums then. Let's start off with vitamin C. It reduces redness, evens out your skin tone, reduces hyperpigmentation, promotes collagen production, prevents skin sagging, and help boost wound healing. So, it starts off at 5,250 pesos. Meron ka lang sarili mong brand ng serum. At syempre mga mare, meron din tayo ditong niacinamide serum that whitens skin, hydrates skin, moisturizes your skin, lightens blemishes, smoothens your skin, and unclogs the pores. It starts at 5,250 pesos. At syempre mga mare, meron din tayong rejuvenating set that shrinks enlarged pores, promotes collagen, anti-aging, lightens pimples and acne scars and dark spots, and of course, it brightens and whitens your skin at the same time. Imagine mga mare, pwede ka na magkaroon ng sarili mong brand ng rejuvenating set for as low as 8,000 pesos with Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. So, what are the packages that we offer naman? So, Yun yung mga products na meron tayo. Kaya diniscuss ko one by one so that you know what are the product is for. And sabi ko nga kanina, when you are starting your own brand, you must know sino ba yung target audience na bebentahan natin ng product na gusto natin. And then, ano nga ba yung product, para saan ba yung product na gagawin natin. So it is very important na alam mo bilang brand owner, bilang aspiring brand owner, para saan yung product na ipoproduce natin. I don't want you to be hyped na pwede ka maging CEO sa sarili mong brand, but then you are lacking the foundation. Alright? Now, let's go on and start working with the packages. So, ano naman yung mga packages na available? So, meron nga po tayong packages ng soap, perfume, 250 ml lotion, 100 ml lotion, lip tint, sunscreen, serum, and rejuvenating set. We also have the 3-in-1 package ng rebranding namin. We have the 5K package, 8K package, 10K package, 25K package, and 50K package, as well as 100K package for the soap, perfume, and lip tint, which is currently in trend na talaga namang pangmalakasan namin dito sa ZY, ano? We also have the 25K bronze package that includes 100 pieces soap, 50 pieces lip tint, 50 pieces sunscreen, 50 pieces serum, 50 pieces lotion, and 30 pieces perfume. Alam nyo ba na may advantage na tong kasama kapag in-avail mo ang 25K bronze package natin? Free shipping nationwide na yan, free sticker label, free basic logo layout, free basic video and photo shoot, free DTI business name registration. Yes, mga mare, i-register natin ang brand mo sa DTI. And of course, free basic marketing materials na pwede mong magamit sa iyong Facebook, TikTok, at Shopee accounts. At syempre, meron din po tayong 50K silver package, 300 pieces soap na ang kasama niyan. Meron na rin yung 100 pieces lip tint, 100 pieces sunscreen, 100 pieces serum, 100 pieces lotion, and 50 pieces na perfume. Free shipping nationwide na rin yan. Free sticker label, free basic logo layout, free basic video and photo shoot. Meron na din yung DTI business name registration na ang kasama at syempre, free basic marketing materials. Of course, meron tayong pangmalakasan na gold package na talaga namang super trending ngayon. Imagine mga mare, meron na tong 1K pieces ng soap, 500 pieces ng lip tint, 500 pieces ng sunscreen, 200 pieces ng serum, 200 pieces ng lotion, and 100 pieces ng perfume. At syempre mga mare, registration ng DTI mo, kami na rin ang bahala dyan. Gagawin ko pa namin ng Facebook page, Facebook group, Facebook free TikTok account, free TikTok shop at TikTok affiliates. Hahanapan ka na rin namin ng TikTok affiliates para siguradong mabebenta ang mga produkto mo. At syempre meron din tayong free brand marketing for 1 month. Yes mga mare, ima-market din natin ang brand mo at ipopost ko din yan sa aking mga social media accounts. At the same time, meron din po tayong 500K elite package. Ito pang malakasan na talaga. 4K pieces ng soap, 2K pieces ng lip tint, 1K pieces ng sunscreen, 1K pieces ng serum, 600 pieces ng lotion, at 300 pieces ng perfume. At syempre mga mare, free FB account na yan. Sa FB account na yan, meron ng FB group. Gagawan pa kita ng resellers group, free marketing videos, free TikTok account, free DTI business name registration, at ima-market ko din yan for 3 months. At the same time, meron ka na rin TikTok shop at TikTok affiliate para siguradong mabebenta na natin ang brand mong pangmalakasan. Syempre mga mare, meron din tayong rebranding packages ng Sisa Graphic Tees kung gusto mong magsimula ng sarili mong brand ng clothing. Yes, mare, we got you. Meron din tayong 25 pieces, 4,500 pesos. 50 pieces, 8,750. 100 pieces for 17,000 pesos. And 200 pieces for 33,000 pesos. Free shipping nationwide na yan. Attachment of label, attachment of hashtag, packaging, and logo layout. Meron din tayong rebranding package ng mga tote bags. Free shipping nationwide, attachment of label, attachment of hashtag, packaging, and logo layout at the same time. Syempre, hindi magpapahuli ang ating negosyo bundles ng ating mga kutkutin and gummies. For as low as 1,200 pesos, meron ka ng own brand mo ng kutkutin and gummies with Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. So, ayan mga mare, meron din tayong gulay chips na pangmalakasan dito. So, how to start your own brand? All you have to do is to choose the product that you want to avail. Starter packages are also available. Choose the variants and scent that fits your taste. Fill up the order form with necessary details such as your brand name, brand colors, and brand tagline. Process payments for rebranding. Payment first policy lang po kami via bank or GCash or over the counter direct payments. Of course, just a quick reminder that after the form was submitted, it will be lined up sa ating processing ng graphic team and laboratory while we will be sending you the logo for approval. And of course, meron tayong tinatawag na log processing, okay? So for the log processing, 20 business days po, Saturdays, Sundays, and holidays are not counted. Just an FYI that it can take longer like 20 to 30 business days at maximum. Once the order is submitted and paid, order number will be released. Order will be submitted to the graphic team for logo layout, logo approval for 1 to 2 revision lang po. Once logo is approved, we will be submitted to the printing department and order will be submitted to the production team for the actual manufacturing of the product. Just an FYI that 20 business days will start once you approve the logo. And of course, once the logo and products are ready, it will be submitted to the labeling department. Photo and video will be sent after the order is dispatched. Kapag na-ship na po yung order, doon po namin isisend ang photo and video natin. And of course, JNT shipment is up to 5 to 7 business days. DHL shipment, on the other hand, takes 2 to 3 weeks. Please take note of the process para lang po malinaw tayo kasi matagal po talaga kapag manufacturing or rebranding. So we also have business and marketing strategies that we conduct through webinars and trainings. So syempre meron tayong mga simple branding checklist na kailangan ginagawa natin. We must define our brand, identify the strength, as a CEO, and of course, you must create your own brand story, know your target audience, and be consistent on it. Your brand name is very important. What is the significance of this name to your life, and what is the brand appeal? Is it appealing to the market? No, napakahalaga ng brand name. And of course, you must be creating the foundation of your you must be creating the foundation of your business, such as the mission, the vision, and the core values. Of course, meron din tayong sales distribution system na ginawa ko na para sa ating mga aspiring CEOs. Sa pag-start kasi ng brand, when you are starting your brand, guys, it is very important na alam natin kung ano yung marketing strategy natin, sales funnel natin, and of course, the sales and distribution system. Para alam natin kung paano natin mas mapapalago yung brand natin. Of course, para sa mga OFWs naman, we also offer online warehousing, online business, online solutions, COA Shop Worldwide Company. So ano nga ba yung online warehousing? Ito ay para dun sa mga OFW na gustong magsimula ng brand nila pero wala pong mag-manage ng brand sa Philippines. We have online warehousing kung saan yung mga products magstay sa warehouse. Once meron kang pa-order, saka natin i-ship yung mga rebranded products mo. Ang maganda doon, less ang iniisip mo for the kung saan mo i-stock yung product, saan yung paano siya i-manage, you know. Dito sa ZY, all we have to do is actually, this goes on with the bulk orders, starts at 50,000 pesos kapag ina-avail nila yan. Most of OFW ina-avail yon, tapos yung products nila nakastock sa warehouse or sa lab natin, and then tayo na mismo yung nagpapaship ng mga products direct sa clients nila. So it's kind of drop shipping, but you are drop shipping your own product, no? So ang magandang part nun, less worry on your end as a brand owner kasi tayo na yung magagawa niyan sa lab natin. At the same time, meron po yung inventory listing ng product mo. Kung saan ipapaship yung order, meron kang sariling Google form kung saan natin ipapaship yung orders. When it comes with the shipping fee, shoulder nyo po yung shipping fee kapag ipapaship natin sa mga clients ninyo. So, yun po yung online warehousing. It is an online business solution para dun sa mga OFWs na gustong mag-start ng brand nila pero walang magmamanage dito sa Pilipinas. We will be managing the product for you, shipping of the product, shipping of your product. All you have to do is to market your product, do your marketing, sell the product. Kami na yung workforce mo when it comes sa shipment ng product mo. Ang maganda nito, si Z-Way Shop is a VIP client ni JNT. So, maka-carry over ninyo yung mga discounts na meron si CY. Right? So, that's it, Pansit. Para sa mga gustong mag-start ng own brand nila, always remember that success usually comes to those who are too busy looking for it. So start looking for success, start your own brand, be the boss of your own brand, and start it with Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. Again, hintayin ko ang message mo. Mag-start na tayo ng sarili mong brand, Mare, at palaguin natin ang brand na sisimulan mo. Again, this is Dr. Ram Dagdag from Zero Shop Worldwide Company. May you have a good day and God bless us all. Thank you.